कैसे हैं आप लोग। लास्ट एक्सरसाइज में अपन ने पॉलिनोमियल्स के बारे में, क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल्स के बारे में डिस्कस किया था, उसके जीरोज के बारे में और उसके इक्वेशन फॉर्मेशन के बारे में। आज अपन पढ़ेंगे, अपने को पढ़ना है यहाँ पे क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल। क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल्स के क्वेश्चंस जो हैं एनसीईआरटी के अकॉर्डिंग ऑप्शनल क्वेश्चंस में दिए हुए हैं, ठीक है, जो कि नीचे लिखा होगा आपको कि दिस इज़ नॉट पॉइंट ऑफ एग्जामिनेशन भी हो, तो भी स्टैंडर्ड स्टूडेंट जो मैथ लिए हैं उनके लिए बहुत आवश्यक है, बहुत ज़रूरी है उसको पढ़ना, और इसका एक क्वेश्चन एटलीस्ट आता ही आता है, ठीक है। तो इसको बड़े ध्यान से देखिएगा। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल। ओके, क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल। तो क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल जैसे नाम से पता है, टाइप्स ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल बताया था। क्या बताया था? जिसकी डिग्री क्या हो, 3 हो, वो क्या कहलाता है? क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल। px इक्वल टू ax क्यूब प्लस bx स्क्वायर प्लस cx प्लस d इस क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल। हाँ, यहाँ डिग्री क्या है? सिंस डिग्री ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल equal to 3, therefore number of possible zeros भी कितने होंगे? 3 होंगे। जितने डिग्री का इक्वेशंस होता है, पॉलिनोमियल होता है, उतने उसके पॉसिबल जीरोज होते हैं। तो लेट अल्फा, बीटा एंड सपोज गामा आर 3 zeros। देन फर्स्ट रिलेशन यहाँ पे है सम ऑफ जीरोज, यानी अल्फा प्लस बीटा प्लस गामा की जो वैल्यू होती है, अल्फा प्लस बीटा प्लस गामा की वैल्यू माइनस बी अपॉन ए, जो उसमें था वही यहाँ पे भी है, लेकिन यहाँ पे एक वैल्यू बदल जाती है। नहीं, अब यहाँ किसको लेना होता है? नेगेटिव ऑफ कोफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर अपॉन कोफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स क्यूब, ये अपने को चूज करना है, ठीक है। दूसरी जो चीज यूज होगी, अब दूसरे में उसमें अल्फा बीटा निकाले थे, यहाँ तो 3 है, यहाँ पहले 2 का प्रोडक्ट निकालेंगे। सम ऑफ जीरोस एस प्रोडक्ट, सम ऑफ प्रोडक्ट लिख लो, टेकन 2 एट ए टाइम, 2 को लेके इनका जो प्रोडक्ट होगा उसका सम, यानी अल्फा बीटा प्लस बीटा गामा प्लस अल्फा गामा, इसकी वैल्यू सी अपॉन ए, यानी कोफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स अपॉन कोफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर, ठीक। और लास्ट है प्रोडक्ट ऑफ ऑल जीरोस, यानी अल्फा इंटू बीटा इंटू गामा इज माइनस डी अपॉन ए। अब ये 3 फार्मूले को अपन को वेरीफाई करना है इस क्वेश्चंस में, ठीक है। इसके लिए क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल्स के क्वेश्चंस में अपन इसको कंसीडर करके करना है, ठीक है। तो अब इसको देखो, इसमें जो है कुछ क्वेश्चंस अपने पास हैं जो अपन बता रहे हैं। पहले चलते हैं, देख लेते हैं इसको एक्सरसाइज वाइज कैसे करेंगे। तो जैसे सपोज क्वेश्चन दिया, चलो ना नेक्स्ट देखते हैं। फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज का जो अपना ऑप्शनल का क्वेश्चन है, वेरीफाई द गिवन नंबर्स आर जीरोज ऑफ क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल और नॉट, आल्सो वेरीफाई रिलेशन बिटवीन जीरोज एंड कोफिशिएंट। फर्स्ट वी कंपेयर द गिवन इक्वेशन बाय क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल px इक्वल टू ax क्यूब bx स्क्वायर cx प्लस d। हियर a इज इक्वल टू 2, b इक्वल टू 1, c इक्वल टू -5 and d is 2. To verify any value is polynomial, zeros of polynomial or not, we put the value of variable in given polynomial. If get 0, then given value is zeros of polynomial, otherwise not a zeros of polynomial. So since px equal to 2x cube plus x square minus 5x plus 2. Then put x equal to 1 by 2. Then p1 by 2 is equal to 2 cube of 1 by 2 plus square of 1 by 2 minus 5 into 1 by 2 plus 2. Simplify. Cube of 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 8 plus square of 1 by 2 is 1 by 4. 5 into 1 by 2 is minus 5 by 2 and 2 by 1. This 2 cancel 8 for 4 times. Therefore 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 minus 5 by 2 plus 2 by 1. LCM of 4 and 2 and 1 is 4. 4 1 is 4, 1 plus 1, 2 2 is 4, then 5 2 is 10, 1 4 is 4 plus 4 2 is 8. Therefore P1 by 2, 8, 9, 10 minus 10, 0 by 4 equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to 1 by 2 is 1 zeros of Px. Clear? If we put value of variable in given polynomial and get 0, then the given value is zeros of polynomial. Similarly, we check the another value. Let for x equal to 1, p1 is put x equal to 1 in given polynomial. 2 cube of 1 plus square of 1, 5 into 1 plus 2. Simplify. Cube of 1 is 1 and 1 multiplied by 2 is 2. Cube square of 1 is 1. Minus 5 plus 2. 2 plus 1 3 plus 2 5 minus 5 is 0. Value of P1 is 0. Therefore x equal to 1 is 1 zeros. Next, for x equal to minus 2. Value of P minus 2 is equal to 2 cube of minus 2 plus square of minus 2 minus 5 into minus 2 plus 2. Simplify this. Cube of 2 is 8, 8 2 is 16 and cube of minus is minus 16. Square of minus 2 positive 4 minus 5 into minus 2 is equal to minus plus, then 5 into 2 is 10 plus 2. Therefore 10 plus 4 14 plus 2 16 minus 16 plus 16 is equal to 0. Therefore x equal to minus 2 is another root. Another zeros or root. Okay. Now verify. Sum. Verification. For verification, first find sum of zeros. Sum of zeros means alpha plus beta plus gamma. What is alpha, what is beta, what is gamma? The given values. There are 3 values. Let any value alpha, another beta and another gamma. Anyone, not in order is mentioned. Okay, and we can take either alpha equal to either 1 by 2 or 1 or minus 2, or similarly beta is 1 by 2 or 1 or minus 2. But all 3 values are taken differently. First, if we take this alpha, then this beta, then this gamma. If we take alpha this, then beta this, then gamma this. Means order is considered. Now a sum of zeros. तो अल्फा इक्वल टू अपने पास है क्या 1 by 2, बीटा इज 1 and gamma is minus 2. Okay. Now sum of these 1 by 2 plus 1 plus minus 2. So 1 by 2, 1 minus 2 is minus 1 and net answer is minus 1 by 2. Now y formula. We see that sum of zeros alpha plus beta plus gamma is minus b upon a. Minus b upon a. Therefore minus value of b is 1 and value of a is 2. Therefore the value of alpha plus beta plus gamma is minus 1 upon 2. Therefore our answer is right? By sum of zeros given is minus 1 by 2, and by formula sum of zeros is also minus 1 by 2. Therefore, our answer is right. Similarly, product of sum of zeros taken 2 at a time. Taken 2 at a time means alpha beta, beta gamma plus alpha gamma. Put value of alpha beta gamma in their places. Alpha is suppose 1 by 2, beta is 1 plus beta is 1, gamma is minus 2 plus alpha is 1 by 2, gamma is minus 2. Then 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, minus 2 and minus 1. Minus 2 and minus 1, minus 3. 1 minus 6 upon 2, minus 5 by 2. Now by formula, alpha beta plus beta gamma plus alpha gamma, it should be equal to C upon A. And value of C is here minus 5 and value of A is 2. Put both value minus 5 plus minus 5 upon value of A is 2, minus 5 by 2. Therefore, this relation also verified, means sum of product taken 2 at a time is also verified by different value and by formula. Last, product of all. Last, product of all means alpha into beta into gamma is minus d upon A by formula, and by calculation is 1 by 2 into 1 into minus 2 is 2 cancel, 1 into minus 1 equal to minus 1. By formula alpha beta gamma is equal to minus d upon A, value of d is 2 and value of A is 2, minus 2 upon 2 is equal to minus 1. The value also verified. Therefore, we can say any value is 0 or polynomial or not, and then verify given format. Okay, next part of this question is also verification of zeros of polynomial x cube minus 4x square, 5x minus 2, and zeros are 2, 1, 1. Then similarly we can solve it. Okay, this part is for all of you. Next question is related to formation of polynomial. Now first we tell you the formula by which any cubic polynomial can be formed. Okay. So let alpha beta gamma form. Now heading is formation of cubic polynomial. When zeros given. When zeros means alpha beta gamma given. If zeros are alpha, beta and gamma, then Px is equal to k x cube minus sum of zeros, यानी alpha plus beta plus gamma into x square plus alpha beta, beta gamma plus alpha gamma x minus alpha beta gamma is formation of cubic polynomial. In second question of NCERT optional part is given that find a cubic polynomial with the sum of product of its zero taken at a 2 and product of all zeros is 2, minus 7 and minus 14. You can see question on the notebook. here given values is sum of product taken at a two time and product of all. Sum of zeros as product taken two at a time product of all given means sum of zeros is alpha plus beta plus gamma and sum of product taken two at a time means alpha beta gamma plus alpha gamma is also given. Okay, now product of all means alpha into beta into gamma is also given. Then according to question, sum of zeros is 2. Sum of zeros of product taken at a two time is -7 and product of all is -14. Then put given three values in this format and we get a cubic polynomial. Therefore, polynomials whose zeros are alpha beta gamma is px equal k x cube minus, first we put the value of alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to 2 and x square plus alpha beta gamma plus alpha gamma, value of this is -7 into x and product of all alpha beta gamma is equal to -14. Then px equal k x cube minus 2x square minus 7x minus plus 14 is answer. Okay, then these are two questions which are very important for view of examination. Now see the next question of third question is of exercise of optional. If zeros of px equal to this are a minus b, a plus b, find ab. Okay, zeros are given but we find two values of these values. So first verify relations. Third number px is given x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 1. Compare with ax cube bx square plus cx plus d. Here a is 1, b is -3, c is 1, d equal to 1. Now sum of zeros alpha plus beta plus gamma is -b upon a, or value of -3 upon a1 is 3. Since given zeros are given, so let alpha is a minus b, beta is a and gamma is a plus b. Since three zeros are given and three zeros are taken as alpha, beta and gamma, then we take first as alpha, second beta and third gamma. Alpha is a minus b, beta is a and gamma is a plus b. Now put these values in left side. Alpha is equal to a minus b plus beta is a plus gamma is a plus b is equal to 3. Okay. Now minus b and b plus b is cancelled out. A plus a is equal to 3a equal 3. Therefore a is 3 by 3 1 means a equal to 1. Next फर्स्ट वैल्यू मिल गई अपने को। सेकंड के लिए किसी एक क्वेश्चन पे सेकंड पे आ जाओ, उस पर वैल्यू पुट कर लो। प्रोडक्ट ऑफ ऑल, कोई एक रिलेशन अपन यूज कर सकते हैं। प्रोडक्ट ऑफ ऑल अल्फा बीटा इंटू गामा इज माइनस डी अपॉन ए। पुट ए अल्फा इज ए माइनस बी, बीटा is a and gamma is a plus b is equal to minus value of d is 1 and a also 1. A minus b into a plus b, identity is a square minus b square equal to minus 1. And we get value of a is 1. Put a equal to 1 both sides. 1 square minus b square is equal to minus 1. 1 minus b square is minus 1. 1 shift minus 1 in left side or 1 is right side. Minus b square equal to minus 1 minus 1 or minus b square is minus 2, minus cancel out, b is root of plus minus 2. Therefore, answer final a is 1 and b is plus minus root 2. Okay. Note it and solve the next question. Next question is, if two zeros of this polynomial are 2 plus root 3, find other. Last lecture we discussed same type question. Whose zeros are plus root 2 and minus root 2. Similarly, here two zeros also given. First is 2 plus root 3 and second is 2 minus root 3. Both are given in one time. Here let two zeros are alpha and beta. Therefore alpha is taking positive sign 2 plus root 3 and beta is 2 minus root 3. Now we find sum of these. Alpha plus beta is 2 plus root 3 plus 2 minus root 3. Root 3 cancel is equal to 4. And product alpha into beta 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3. A plus b, a minus b by identity a square minus b square. Square of 2 is 4. Square of root 3 is 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. Okay. Therefore, polynomial whose zeros are alpha beta. Px is, suppose gx ले लें. Gx is x square minus sum alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta. Put these values. X square alpha plus beta is 4 and alpha beta is 1. Is polynomial by given zeros. Now for next zeros, divide this given polynomial by gx and we get an equation, then factorize the equation and get another zeros. Okay, now we divide it. X square minus 4x plus 1 divided to x4 minus 26x square plus 138x minus 35. First, x4 divided by x square. We get x square. X square into this x4, x square into 4x square, 4x cube, x square into 1, division, x square 4x plus 1 to divide x4 minus 6 x cube, 26x square, 138x minus 35. First, x4 divided by x square, we get x square. Multiply x square into x square, x4, x square into 4, x, 4x cube, x square into 1 plus x square. Now subtract it. So our subtraction, change the sign. Here minus, here plus and minus. x4 minus x4 is cancelled out. Here minus 6x cube plus 4x cube. Here sign is negative, is more than, therefore minus 6 plus 4 is minus 2. X cube minus 26 minus 1 minus 27 x square plus 138x minus 35. Now divide minus 2x cube by x square is minus 2x. Minus 2x. Then multiply minus 2x by given value 2x into x 6 square 2x cube minus into minus plus 2 into 4 8x square 2x into 1 minus 2x. Now change sign, plus minus plus. Opposite and equal values are cancelled out. Minus 27 minus 8 minus 35x square. 138 plus 2 140x minus 35. Now minus 35x square divided by x square, then answer is minus 35. Now multiply minus 35 into x minus 35x square minus minus plus 35 4 the 140x. 35 into 1 minus 35. Now second the sign, minus plus minus plus. Both are equal and having opposite side. All are cancelled. Under is 0. Therefore, given px equal x square minus 4x plus 1 into x square minus 2x minus 35. Now, question is x square minus 2x minus 35. Factorize it by middle term splitting. Now we get another zeros. Factor of 35 is 5 7s or 7 5s. Then 7 minus 5 is 2. X square 7 minus 5 x minus 35. X square minus 7x minus minus plus 5x minus 35. X common, x minus 7 plus 5 x minus 7. X minus 7 is taken common from whole, then x plus 5. Put both separately equal to 0. X minus 7 is 0, then x is 7. If x plus 5 is 0, x equal minus 5. Therefore, other zeros are 7 and minus 5. Therefore, these all are very important question of the syllabus. for standard stream. Okay, now solve these questions and repeatedly revise it. Okay, and last I want to say, please like, share and subscribe channel to get more and important question. Share it to all your friends and colleagues who are in 10th standard in any board or in any school or in any medium. Okay, thank you.